my channel. Today I'm going to be using some hair extensions that I recently got from Amazing Beauty. I don't know how this is going to go because I've never used curly hair extensions before on my natural hair. Because as you know, I just did my big chop, so I've never actually done anything with it yet. But I got these. And they are 100% human hair extensions. They come in a little pack like this. And you also get a comb and some extra clips. And you also get a pair of eyelashes, which is pretty cool. So I got 2 packs, so I've got 2 of everything. The other comb was pink, so I guess the combs are all different colours, which is quite cool. So I've got a pink comb and a yellow comb, which is cool. So yeah, I've never used these hair extensions before. I've never used this brand before, so it's going to be an experiment. They come in different colours, but I got the black to, I think it's called Auburn or something like that, but it's not Auburn, it's like a light brown. They didn't do like all Auburn. They only did like these ombre effect ones. They did, I think it was black to red, black to this colour, and black to like blonde or something. So, and then just like fully black. So I think these are like 3C to 4A texture. Online it said that you would need 2 packs for a whole head. So I got the 2 packs. So yeah, there's my 2 packs. So I've got one here. So I've got a few different items with me to help. I don't know what I'm going to use or whether they're going to be useful, but this is what I have with me. So the products I've got is I've washed and conditioned and deep conditioned my hair. And I've put leave-in conditioner as well. So that's the stage that my hair is at the moment. But I've got some other products. So I've got this curling jelly. And it's kind of like a gel consistency. You can see, it's kind of like it's kind of a wet gel. And I'm hoping this will help to blend my hair in with the extensions. I've also got the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I think I'm just going to put this on each section of hair before I clip in the extension. And then I'm going to use the curling jelly it's As I Am curling jelly. I'm going to use that just on the top, I think, like where you can see the blend. And then I've got this hairspray, which is just to kind of stop the extensions from slipping out. And I've got some clips like these and some clips like these. Oh, and I've got a spray bottle of water because I need to re-wet my hair a bit. Right, so now I'm getting started and I'm just combing through my hair to get any tangles left in there. And I'm starting to section off my hair just using my fingers because it doesn't matter how neat it is because no one's going to see it. And then I'm just clipping up that top part just to keep it out of the way. And I kind of realised after that I should have maybe started a little bit further down with the first section, but yeah, it's too late now. But so I'm raking through the curl enhancing smoothie through my curls just to keep them moisturised while the extensions are in my hair. So I'm putting the first piece of hair in now, and it's a 3 clip section, and so that's perfect for the first bit of my head. And then as I work up my head, I'll be using bigger bits or 2 bits at a time. Now I'm spraying with a bit of hairspray, and that's going to help hold the clips into my hair so they don't slip out. And I'm basically going to repeat this process as I go up my head, so I'm just sectioning off another bit of hair, and then I'm going to put the curly enhancing smoothie on again, then put the extension on, and then spray it with hairspray. And I'm going to just keep doing this over and over. So I'm going to speed through this, and you can just watch and see what I'm doing.
I decided not to give up on me. Bright lights, the city before me. I've gotta pour myself that drink, put some lipstick on it, think, really get myself together. Thank God I got some wisdom on me. It takes pain in order to gain it. I'm gonna pour myself that drink, sip some whiskey, have a think, and get myself together. Love is a way of breaking your heart. Love is a way of putting you down. Love is a way of making you feel like you've never ever really been found. Never been found. I decided not to give up on me. 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 Lipstick on it, big, really get myself together. Thank God I got some wisdom on me. It takes pain in order to gain it. I'm gonna pour myself that drink, sip some whiskey, have a think, and get myself together. Love is a way of breaking your heart. Love is a way of putting you down. Love is a way of making you feel like you've never ever really been found. Never been found. Give up on me, give up on me, give up on me.
Now I don't know whether I want a side parting or a middle parting, so. So I ended up going for the side part, which you'll see later I kind of regretted, but I'm just currently putting in the side parting, and then I start putting the extensions on to the other side of my head.
And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world.
could do better. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like it's not exactly how I envisaged. It's a bit messy. I think maybe a middle part might work better. Just looks a bit messy, I think. I think I'm gonna do a middle part because I really don't like the side part. So let me come back and do that. So I've got my middle part, and now I'm just going to gel it. That's as good as I'm gonna get it at the moment. It looks alright. It's okay. Like it's not super neat. There's still some bits I need to lay down. So yeah, that took me an hour to do. So that was kind of a tiring, time-consuming process. I don't think it looks that good. I've got quite a few bobby pins in the top of my hair to stop the short hair from popping up, but I'm sure there's a better way to do it. I think the problem is my gel. It's not really a stronghold gel, it's more of a curling gel. So it's a bit later now, it's about an hour later, and my hair's dried. I was saying before that I didn't like it and I thought it looked a bit messy, but actually I think over the hour, I don't know what's happened, like I haven't actually changed it, but the hair has kind of settled down, I guess. And it's just looking a bit more uniform and neater. I also realised that the gel I was going to use was the, hold on, let me get it. So that's the gel that I was going to use. This one's probably actually a stronger hold. But actually I just wanted to say I do actually like this look, and it took me an hour, but I think the more I do it, it's gonna take me less and less time. The extensions themselves, these are the first curly hair extensions I've ever had, so I don't really have anything to compare them to. Just from first impressions, they feel very soft, and I haven't wet them or washed them yet, obviously, so I don't know how they wash, but I can let you know in another video about that. But yeah, they feel really nice and they feel like real hair. They are human hair extensions. I think these are 12 inches, I believe, but they're from Amazing Beauty, and they were like $60 a pack, 60 American dollars per pack, and I got 2 packs, and I got them from Amazon. And if you already have like long hair, or like a bit longer than mine, and you just want them for like more volume, you can probably get away with just having 1 pack. And that's my thoughts on these extensions. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.